Alright, I am here at what looks to be Radiator Springs from the Cars films, but I'm actually here at Disney's Art Animation Resort here at Walt Disney World in Lake Winston, Florida. Over there you see Flo, Ramon. Over there, I'm going to zoom in. There's Doc Hudson, along with the sheriff. Before we look at the elevators, let's get a quick look around this area. That right there is the replica of the Cozy Cone Motel seen in the movie, which is owned by Sally, the Porsche from the movie. Over there you can see Luigi Scott's Dilla Tires, building number 3. Behind the Cozy Cone building is the pool for this area, along with building number 2, which is a replica of the Wheel-Well Motel in the movie. And this is the first building we'll be going into, building number 1. Underneath the Tow Mater sign, there's Tow Mater himself. And now let's go in here and ride the elevators. As you can tell, we have interior corridors here. Here's your mural of Tow Mater, and here are the elevators. Also, we've got some Otis elevators to ride with Series 5, I believe. And looks like we have some epic motors here. Let's go to 4. They do have nice motors. Back down to 1. Door close does not work. One. Send this car away, we'll try to get the other elevator. And now let's get car number 2. Interesting how these are like smashed in. And here's car 2. Go to 4. Took about a second and a half to level. Now we'll go back down to 1 and end it down there. Cabs are fairly nice, well themed to the area. Got your checkered floor to represent a finish line from the Cars movie. Get your floor indicator, certificate, Series 5 buttons, and there's your phone. You're 1. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. And there it goes. And that'll be it for this building. By the way, I like these Cozy Cone lights.